Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today is another unboxing video. Um, Recently picked up this modified SKX. I don't really need another SKX, but I like the way this one looked. And also it came with some extra mod parts that I may be able to put to use. So I bought it. I think it has the 4R36 movement in it. So it has the upgraded movement and sapphire, crystal, ceramic bezel insert. And then it has an extra bracelet and then another crystal. So some things that I can use. And also I wanted to review these different bracelets too. So I think it worked out okay. Even though I don't really need another SKX. I don't know how many I have, but I have quite a few. So let's see what's in here. Here, I guess we can keep this one to the side for display purposes. Hopefully this noise isn't too much. Open it up off to the side here. Alright, and then this one here I'll bring over to the side. Okay, I think this is it. So let's open this one first. Yeah, we have a nice dual time ceramic bezel insert. I think this one is the Uncle's Seiko bracelet. I didn't say I didn't think this was the SKX box. No big deal. It came in a box though. SRPC 91. I think I actually have that watch somewhere. Yeah, I do have that watch. That would be this one here. But anyway, I got off topic there. So let's check out this watch here. Yeah, cool colors. Oh, yeah, okay, so that makes sense. This dial is the SRPC 91 dial, so yeah, geez, I wasn't thinking very good there. These watches have the same dial, so he took the dial out of this turtle here and put it in an SKX, which I actually am planning on doing myself. If I get around to it, I have an SKX dial watch that I'm assuming I can just take the entire movement, assembly, dial, everything, and swap it over, but that will be for another video. So yeah, that's cool. Let's get this off of here. And this one here, I should just be able to hand wind it. So yeah, this would have a custom crown because the SKX crown would not fit. Actually, this is probably a SARB. I think you can take a SARB crown and just direct swap it out for this mod here. So let's get it winding. Should be, yep, there we go. It almost looks like a top hat crystal, but then the bezel is flat, so perhaps it doesn't slope up to meet the crystal. I don't know, I'm not much of a modifier yet, so a flat sapphire crystal. Now this one I have on my longtime SKX this is a domed sapphire crystal, which I had to swap after I scratched the heck out of that Hardlex crystal. which I still have somewhere. So anyway, actually we'll move this to, so that's the Spanish date wheel. Push it in a click, and I should be able to, oh, still in time set. There we go. Yeah, that's the Spanish date wheel. So there's the watch. Let me get it on wrist real quick, and then we can see what's in the other box. So yeah, this is Uncle Seiko, but as far as I know, Uncle Seiko doesn't use solid end links. They have these hollow end links. I have one for my SKX 013 somewhere, and I never could get that bracelet to fit. But actually, it's a Jubilee style bracelet. This one also has the hollow end links. Wonder if this has solid center links. Yes, this one at least has the solid center links, and then the screw links for bracelet sizing. So let's see what's in the other box over here. Guess I'm opening it upside down. So let's see what else we have here. Tropic style rubber strap. This looks like the strap that came with the SKX, I'm sorry, SRP 91. That's our, I get my model numbers mixed up. I just read that too. SRPC 91. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Set that over here. Oh yeah, that's right, the razor wire bracelet. Okay. Man, my memory's starting to go. I didn't buy this too long ago, all that long ago. So I will play around with this Uncle Seiko razor wire. I have seen them before. I was kind of interested in them. I think they're a little bit tricky to size, but I understand they're very comfortable, so look forward to trying that one out. So these are for the Jubilee style bracelet. Oh, and then I can't remember if that's the factory crown or what that is exactly. So anyway, there's the razor wire extra bracelet. Let's open this up and see what we have here. Looks like we have some second hands there. And this should be the extra AR crystal. Sorry, extra sapphire crystal. So I'll have to look that up and see what it is exactly. And then there's the rest of the links for the razor wire bracelet. Looks like it's split pin. Okay. So yeah, cool. Hope to play around with this stuff eventually. I have another, at least one more modded Seiko SKX that I was going to mess around with. I haven't done that yet, so hopefully I find the time to get into that. And here's one more look at the watch I bought before we close out the video. Let's get this lined up. I like the coin edge bezel. So let's see if that's a loomed insert. I don't know if it is or not. It looks like it is. Let me get the light right here. Make it a little bit dimmer. So I think that will do it for this video. Like I said, I'm gonna wear this for a bit and see how I like this bracelet, and do a review for this, and then I'll swap over to the razor wire bracelet. I have mixed feelings on this. I have not tried it on wrist. Styling's kind of, I don't know. I guess we'll try it out. So anyway, as always, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. I would greatly appreciate it. Like the video if you liked it, and leave a comment below. Let me know how many SKX you have, or SKX style watches that you have. I have quite a few. Geez, I don't even know. I really have no idea how many I have. I probably have at least 5 SKX. Probably 5 of the Islander SKX case watches with the drill bugs, and probably at least 5 of the 5KX, which essentially has replaced the SKX push-pull crown, 100 meter water resistant, and it has the drill bugs. So anyway, that will do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.